Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Svayambhuva Manu had 2 sons by his wife Shatarupa, and the names of the sons were Uttanapad and Priyavrat. Because both of them were descendants of a plenary expansion of Vasudev, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, they were very competent to rule the universe to maintain and protect the citizens. It is said that these 2 kings, Uttanapad and Priyavrat, were specifically empowered by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, unlike the great king Rishabh, who was the Supreme Personality of Godhead himself.